Once again, the Supreme Court has adjourned the hearing on the case filed by IPOB for the release of their leader Nnamdi Kanu until September 14th. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories. At number 1, the Supreme Court has adjourned the hearing on the case filed by the Indigenous People of Biafra for the release of their leader Nnamdi Kanu until September 14th. Kanu's lawyers have appealed to the court to set aside the ruling of the appeal court, which stayed the execution of the court judgments discharging him and placing a further bar to any further detention and prosecution of Kanu on any charge indictment before any court in Nigeria. At number 2, the Presidential Election Petition Court has postponed the pre-hearing of the petition filed by the People's Democratic Party and its presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar, against the President-elect Bola Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress to Thursday, May 18, 2023. The respondents in the petition are the Independent National Electoral Commission, Bola Tinubu, and the APC. The pre-hearing was scheduled for Thursday after Atiku and PDP's counsel, Chris Uche, expressed interest in the case. At number 3, the federal government has allocated 22.44 billion naira to feed inmates in all the custodial centers in the country. The Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Interior, Shuai Belgore, highlighted the overcrowding in these centers and called for reform to ensure smooth rehabilitation of inmates. He says there are currently 244 custodial centers with 75,507 inmates, leading to overcrowding in 82 centers. Of these inmates, 52,436 are awaiting trial, while 23,071 are convicted and 3,322 are now on death row. At number 5, the Kogi government has approved the retirement age of 65 years for teachers in the state. This follows the passage of a bill by the State House of Assembly which allows teachers to retire upon reaching the age of 65 or after 40 years of pensionable service, whichever comes first. The bill overrides any legislation or rules that require public servants to retire at 60 years or after 35 years of service. At number 5, the Central Bank of Nigeria has clarified that the bank verification number issued in collaboration with Nigeria Interbank Settlement System does not have an expiry date. The BVN is a unique 11-digit number that is required to own and operate a banking account in Nigeria and is the same across all bank institutions. CBN has urged customers to continue using their unique identifiers, especially those whose biometrics have been captured, as they last for their entire lifetime. At number 6, President Muhammadu Buhari has appointed Garba Baba Umar, a retiring Assistant Inspector General of Police, as a Senior Security Advisor on International Police Cooperation and Counter-Terrorism to enable Nigeria to maintain its position as an executive member of Interpol. The president noted that this appointment follows a precedent set in 2018 when a former executive member, AIG Kamal Subai, was retired in service by the federal government of Nigeria after retirement. Umar's appointment will begin on May 16, 2023. At number 7, Babcock University's management has announced that the school's website was hacked by unknown individuals. The Director of Communication and Marketing, Dr. Joshua Suleiman, confirmed this in a statement, stating that the hackers intended to deceive and defraud the university's clients and stakeholders. The statement reassured the public that sensitive information remains secure and inaccessible to fraudsters and intruders on the university's website. At number 8, the sector commander of the Federal Road Safety Corps in Bauchi State, Yusuf Abdullahi, has suggested that Sharia Law should be included in the prosecution of traffic offenders in order to reduce the number of road crashes in the country. Abdullahi believes that the current laws are not strict enough and that the introduction of stiffer laws such as the Sharia Law would encourage motorists to follow traffic rules and promote safe road habits. He also believes that this measure will help to prevent reckless driving and the resulting ugly scenes on the road. At number 9, the Abia Police Command has declared that they will continue to fight against insurgents until the state becomes stable again. DSP Tochukwu Ikenga, the command's public relations officer, stated this in Awka on Thursday. Ikenga reported that the command has apprehended key suspects in various parts of the state, including Ogbunike in Oyi local government area, through its combined security efforts. Finally, at number 10, the US's representative to South Africa accused the country of providing military support to Russia during the Ukraine war despite claiming neutrality. Ambassador Ruben Brigiti reportedly said the US was confident weapons and ammunition had been loaded onto a Russian fighter in Cape Town in December. This alleged support is considered a serious concern and calls into question South Africa's claimed neutrality. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.